Welcome to the Facebook fan page of the Law Office of Terrell Travis, as well as the YouTube channel of Law Office of Terrell Travis. These videos are for education and advertising purposes. Is not a substitute for a consultant or licensed attorney in your state. We invite you to connect with us on our website, TerrellTravis.com, as well as connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. You can also contact us, TerrellTravis@gmail.com. You can also call us, area code 757-528-8529. I'm continuing this series, Retracing My Roots. Today, I'm in Martinsville, Virginia, part of Martinsville called Rock Run community, Fieldale community. And this is my maternal grandfather's side of the family. And where I stand is a building built by my great-grandmother, Leah Ann Hairston Johnson, who later became a Prentice. Years later, my grandfather also used this building. So I want to show you this building tonight. You can just take a picture. This building was the lower level on the left was a convenience store that he ran. On the right-hand side was where she had the restaurant. And then upstairs were several apartment buildings that she built on her own. Years later, my grandfather took over, and I remember as a little boy coming up here, he had his store on the left side, he had the restaurant on the right side, and then he had his office for his paving business in the front with apartments above. Behind us, if you stand around, the house on the hill with the white trim work my great-grandmother built. That was her second house. There's a house older than that behind it. And then if you look a little bit further, you can see the top of her third home. I bring this up, and Janai, you can bring it back here. I bring this up because I don't know all the history, but I marvel at the fact that my great-grandmother, born in 1914, limited education, she was divorced. She, a black woman in segregated Southern Virginia, was able to work hard, save her money, and build a business. And so she was able to build 3 homes. Third home had an apartment in it, but also, to make Johnny, she was able to build this building with the restaurant, with the convenience store and apartments above it. And I use this as an inspiration. What is your excuse for starting a business? This road, take a picture of the road tonight. This road is actually referred to as the Great Road. The history behind this road being referred to as the Great Road is because it was a slave trading route. Slave trading route. And so here's my great-grandmother, 1914, born, segregated South, divorced, and she's able to work hard, save her money, and able to build a business that lasted till she retired, and she was able to pass down to her son, who maintained the business until his death. And so some of you are saying, I want to start a business, but I don't have the money. Some of you are saying, I want to start a business, but I'm the wrong race. I'm the wrong gender. I didn't grow up in the right neighborhood. I didn't grow up with the right environment. And I want to encourage you, don't allow your excuses, don't allow your disadvantages, don't allow your obstacles and challenges keep you from pursuing the dream and the destiny that's on your life. On this same street, this house here, to my left, my great-grandmother's sister, the Hairstons. They built the Harrison Home for Adults that still exists to this day. This whole street is my great-grandmother was one of 10, and almost all of them had some type of business, whether it was lumber, whether it was dry cleaning, whether it was the assisted living center, pastoring a church, apartments, cosmetology, you name it. And so with their humble beginnings, considering the community in which they were raised, they were hardworking, they were innovative, They were dreamers, and they were able to build something without necessarily being handed something. And so I just want to encourage you, if you're thinking about starting a business, it was a pandemic, or I'm divorced, or I'm too young, I'm too old, take your lemons and make lemonade. Take your obstacles and use them as stepping stones, platforms. Put it under your feet so that you can achieve the things that is in your spirit, in your dreams, in your aspirations to accomplish. If we can help you, the law office of Travell Travis will be more than happy to help you form your LLC. Be more than happy to help you get your EIN number, your 501c3, file your articles of incorporation. If you need a copyright, you need a trademark, you need somebody to draft a contract, review a contract, we're more than happy to help you. But as we close out 2020, and we're getting ready to start 2021, my question to you is, if not now, when? What's holding you back from being what you're dreaming of, destined to be? Why not now? Have that extra stream of income. Why not now? Not have a stream, but that extra river of income. Turn that side hustle into a part-time job. Turn that part-time job into a full-time job. Turn that full-time job into a legacy that you can pass down to your children, your grandchildren, even your great-grandchildren. Once again, thank you for watching this video of advertising and educational advertising purposes. Contact us, TravellTravis.com, TravellTravis@gmail.com, Travell Travis on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, as well as YouTube. God bless you. Have a smile upon you. Have a great and awesome day.